Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You've got to admit, this is a gorgeous 57 Chevy. Look how that color just pops. It's just gleaming. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get all the specs, the price, and photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see these videos as they come out. But right now, why don't you join me? We're going to take this 57 Chevy for a spin. Yeah, just gorgeous. It's larkspur blue, and the paint is beautiful, and all the trim is just shiny. Something about this one really just pops. I bought the car down south. It's all clean body, all smooth. There's no bubbles. Everything fits real nicely. It looks like all the stainless, all this trim, the emblems. Looks like it's all been replaced. It's got the door handle guards, mirrors on both sides, the little flippers here. They actually work really well. All this back here is replaced. The chrome is gorgeous, got the gold trim. For those of you who don't know, there's your gas behind the trim here. Looks like it has LED taillights. The glass is crystal clear. New gasket. It's got the Goodyear radial white wall tires, spinner hubcaps. I also have the fender skirts in the trunk. They're painted, they match, they go right on the car. Some people prefer them, some people want to show off the wheel, but it comes with them. The flipper door works on this side as well. Windshield's new. All the chrome up here is new. These are typically rubber. They've upgraded it to some chrome tips right here, but all this stuff is redone. The spears look like, well, this one's got a little bit of pitting. That one might be an original, but they're real nice looking. And look at that. All painted, the body color everywhere. Everything's detailed. All the nuts and bolts, latches, hinges. That's a 327 motor with an old-style tri-power on there. It's an old-style Edelbrock intake, some thinned aluminum valve covers, a nice polished aluminum radiator with the aluminum overflow bottle. There's a disconnect switch for the battery, chrome alternator, new fan shroud, aluminum water pump, MSD ignition system, electric wipers, and a new upgraded power brake system. The interior is all restored to stock. It has the stock, upholstery on the seats and door panels. The seats got the chrome piping with the chrome buttons. Really cool. They did it back to original because that is some really neat looking upholstery. Also completely painted. Look at all this. It's all painted. Again, the latches and nuts and bolts are detailed. New rubber mat, new weather strip. It's a brand new tire on a painted rim. Got the complete jack assembly. It's painted up. And those were the fender skirts I was talking about. Those would take 2 seconds to put on. If you preferred, we can even put them on for you. New weather strips. And inside, the armrest, the window cranks look new. The carpets have been replaced. Has the reproduction floor mats, new headliner, new visors, and they fit real nice and tight. All the metal inside the car is all repainted. I'll start this up in a second, but it runs real nice. I can see new bushings, the front end, the control arm bushings are new, the shocks were replaced. Not only is it upgraded to power brakes, but they're disc in front. Also has dual exhaust with the original style Smitty mufflers. It gives it that old 50s raspy sound. And completely stock in here except for that 4-speed sticking out of the floor, and it's for a bench seat. Also, it has the reproduction of the vintage style Moon Eyes tachometer mounted on the column, and then there's an oil and water gauge below the dash neatly installed. So we'll fire it up for you. Underneath the car, it looked like the fuel tank, sending unit, straps, that's all been replaced. That run nice. It's got real strong oil pressure, about 65 pounds right now. It just runs smooth as can be. Correct antenna. Yeah, it's got that 50s sound. So cool hot rod, mostly stock looking, but it's got the sounds, got the tri-power, it's got the 4-speed. Be fun shifting through the gears. It's fun to open that hood at a car show. It's just something different having the 3 carbs sitting there. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. Whatever questions you have, you need more pictures, more video, you have concerns about anything, need help with the shipping, the financing, we'll help with all of that. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon so you can see these videos first. And thanks for watching.